This is PA, Texas. And today I'm going to give you guys tips on how to invest, how to get money. How to get started investing in the stock market. We're going to be talking particularly the stock market. Now, the first step is, how do I actually invest money into the stock market to to yield a return on my investment? And this is before what stocks you should buy and all of that. Well, the first thing you need is an investment application or an investment bank. There are many of them out there. Now, if you bank at any major bank in the United States of America, that'll be Chase, Bank of America, Citi. They usually have an investment bank branch of those major banks. So for instance, Bank of America has Merrill Lynch. They're owned by Bank of America, so you can get a Merrill Lynch account if you bank at Bank of America. That would be very beneficial if you use the same investment bank under the same umbrella as your major bank. JP Morgan is an investment bank that's under Chase Bank. So if you have Chase, go and get a JP Morgan investment account. Same thing with Citi. They have an investment account. Now, I would advise getting the self-directed investment account so you can do this all on your own. Now, if you want to get some type of investment advice or an investment banker advice, you're going to pay more. But if you do it on your own, you're going to save some money, especially when you come to trading fees. Now, if you don't want to go the route of the major banks, there are also apps out there that you can use. One of them is very popular. It's called Robinhood. Another one is called Acorns. Even though I've never used that one, I've heard about that one. I've used Robinhood, and it works quite well. Robinhood is a good app for investing cryptocurrency and in the stock market. Another one that you can use, believe it or not, is Cash App. Cash App is also good for investing in cryptocurrency and and the stock market. Once you get these apps, you can start taking money, either transferring it from your bank accounts to your investment accounts, and then once you get the money to your investment account, you can then purchase a share of stock. I'm not going to go into crypto. Crypto is similar, but I'm just talking about purely the stock market, the United States Stock Exchange, the U.S. Stock Exchange. In a follow-up video, I'm going to show my top 10 stocks that have performed well in the first half of this year, and my worst stock performance of the year. So now that you know what tools that you need to use to actually invest your money, let's see how to use them. Okay, I'm going to go. First, I'm going to use a very simple one that that a lot of that has become very popular over the last couple of years, and that is the app Cash App. A lot of people use Cash App to send money A to B, to pay people or whatever. Not too many people know that you can actually use Cash App to invest. So let's see how that's done. Once you start the Cash App, now right below at the bottom, you see the little home button over there with the columns. I don't know if that's a home button or a bank button. Click, tap that button, and your screen should come up. Okay. Now, once this screen comes up, right there you see to the bottom right, excuse me, my other right, the bottom left, you see the stock. You see where it says stocks right there. You tap that. Now, that screen should show up. Now, when this screen shows up, you can go right there to the top. Right now, you can go in and see your investments, and you can look at how well it has done for the day. You see, I made $7.05 today, which is, hey, That's pretty good. That's $7 more than I did have before. And so from there, you can go to the top and search for your stock that you want to purchase. So here I go in and I type in Meta, which is Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp. And they're up 3% for the day. I was like, hey, I want to buy that. Click buy, and then there you can choose your order type. You can buy $50, $200. You can buy the you can buy the recommended 20, 50, 100, 150, or 200, or you can click the button with the three dots, and you can buy anything you want. And then after that, you can also go back and you can change your purchase order if you like and make it different. You can modify your stock price that you wanna purchase it at. And you can set it, and then you can buy it at that whenever it hits that price. You can do that. But for the most part, it's just easy just to take buy, a certain amount of dollar amount of the stock. And then once you do that, you click next, and you go through the process of purchasing the stock. And now you have shares and investments in Meta. That's it. Other apps are similar. If you bank at Bank of America, you can insert money into the ATM. You can deposit money into the ATM, and once the money has been cleared and it is available for you to spend, you can transfer it into your Merrill Lynch account. And then when Merrill Lynch has an app and a website that you can use to do trading, to do self-directed trading. And then you can take that money that you put into your Bank of America, let's just say you put it into your checking account, then you could transfer it immediately into your Merrill Lynch brokerage account or self-directed trading account, which is a brokerage account. And then you can place an order through the Merrill Lynch app or the Merrill Lynch website for a purchase of a stock. Same thing with JP Morgan, Chase, and Chase Bank. So that's why I say wherever you bank, it's better if you use investment banks that are under the umbrella of your bank. Usually able to link those accounts and then transfer money. You can take $5, put it into the ATM, and soon as the deposit clears, you can take that $5, transfer it into your brokerage account, because it's linked within banks. It's linked. Otherwise, you have to wait for transferring the money in and out. If it's under the same bank, you don't have to wait. You can have it immediately, and then you can purchase $5 of stock almost immediately. So, but other than that, other investment applications like Robinhood, you have to transfer money in from your bank usually, which can take up to 3 to 7 days. But usually, depending on your accounts that you get with Robinhood, they will let you trade instantly with the money that you transfer, just depending on what type of account that you have with Robinhood. They have different tiers of accounts. That's how to get started trading and investing your money. Investing is a very key financial strategy in order to financially secure yourself for your future. That's investing. In the next video, I'll be showing what to get, what to invest in. So stay tuned.